Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Lindsay Lohan Freaky Friday inspired outfits in DTI. So if you want to know the exact outfits inspo to recreate the Freaky Friday vibe, just watch this video. So first for the hair, I only use this straight hair combined with this bangs, and for the color I'm using two color, this brown color and also this blonde color. And let's just get started to create the outfit. So first you can start it by putting on this top and color it black, and for the second view I'm going to use this nude color. And next you're going to put on the t-shirt in here and color it black and remove or turn off the image. Now go in here and put on this long sleeves and color it red. Put on the gloves and make it short. For the first review, make it the same like the skin tone, and for the second one, go with black. And now put on this sleeves in here and toggle it into number 4 and use the same red color like this. You can go in here and put on the shoe. So for the shoe in here, I'm going to color it to black and brown, and gray like this. And then you can put on the this jeans in here, this white jeans, and toggle it into pockets and change the color into this army color and change the material into matte. Now you're going to put on some accessory like this necklace in here and combine the necklace with the choker necklace from the currency items, this one in here. Grab this bag as the accessory, and last one, put on the belt. So for the belt, I'm going to use one from the men's section. So you can just go in here and put on this belt. And that's it. So this is the final look of Lindsay Lohan Freaky Friday outfits in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.